Well, hello everybody. I would love to say a very good afternoon, but I can't. Today I lost my drone. I'm here near Harderwijk. Get back in the car. I'm near the city of Harderwijk. Lovely weather. Flew the drone out to the Dolfinarium and to the aqueduct. I noticed that the drone was shaking a bit. I don't know what happened. I immediately pressed the return to home button, and the only thing I saw is she was bouncing up and down. All of a sudden I saw 18 meters. So 18 meters. So it's possible she's at the bottom of the Veluwemeer. I've been hanging around here, seeing if she might return with the return to home, but she's gone. So I have no idea what's going to happen to my YouTube channel now that I don't have a drone anymore. So I'm going to have to save up for a new one, and that can take some time. So I might continue, but with more vlogging videos. You know, I still have the action camera. I can still do metal detecting. I can still do magnet fishing. During the summer I can go diving with this cam, but you won't see any drone videos anymore for the time being. I will try and post the last video of the drone. It's still on the controller, so I have SD card on this controller, so I'm going to see if I can get the final footage back from the drone. But the drone is no more. It's really a shame, because I had the drone in FCC mode, so I kind of updated it, you know, upgraded it. But she's gone, and she's gone with a plus battery, so got 2 more plus batteries left. So I still hope that I will still get my subscribers. We're still going to make some videos, other kind of videos. I don't know what kind of videos, but the drone is gone, gentlemen and ladies. It's gone. I really feel bad. I mean, I really love that drone. It was a great hobby, but unfortunately, she's no more. I'm going home. I'm gonna figure things out, and I'll continue vlogging. Don't worry. Thanks for your support, and hope to see you soon. Bye.